a large cap fund and what is a mid cap fund? What is the comparison between these two and which is better? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will give insights on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
Between large cap and mid cap, which is the best investment option for investors. Large cap funds are top 100 stocks in the index. 101 to 250 are mid cap stocks. Now, obviously, large cap funds will have large cap stocks, which are big companies. Mid cap funds will have medium sized companies. Large cap stocks, large cap funds will be conservative, they are more stable. Mid cap companies comparatively aggressive, more volatile. Now, to give you clarity, I will use this analogy. Someone who's scoring 90 percentage mark in the examination, right? He is like a large cap company. Someone who's scoring 50 to 60 percentage in the examination, 60% in the examination, is like a mid cap company. If they both put efforts, extremely good efforts for the next examination, the 90 percentage guy can score 99 or 100. 60 percentage guy may score 75 or 80. Now 90 to 99 or 100 is just 10 to 11 percentage return. 60 to 75 is 25 percentage rate. Growth rate can be much higher with mid cap companies because the base is low. Large cap companies, they are already grown up. Their phase to further growth will be low. At the same time, same analogy, examination, uh, someone who's scoring 90%, someone who's scoring 60%. If the question paper is tough, 90% guy will still score 70 plus. The 60% guy may do just pass or may fail in the examination. Similarly, when the market is crashing, large cap companies will have a downfall, but kind of less. Whereas mid cap company, they can collapse. They can have much bigger fall. So volatility will be higher with mid cap, stability will be higher with large cap. Both are prone for volatility. Volatility will be there in both, but in the large cap it will be lesser. So between large cap and mid cap, which is better, it depends upon what kind of approach you have. You want to have a conservative approach, then large cap will be better. If you want aggressive approach, then mid cap will be better. If you are a beginner investor, maybe large cap will be better. If you are an investor who have already experienced, who have exposure to large cap funds, then diversifying to mid cap will also be better. Someone who has only 5 to 7 year time frame, large cap will be better. Someone who has 7 to 10 year time frame, mid cap will be better. Someone who is looking for higher rate of return, at the same time willing to take higher risk, means an aggressive investor again. For him, mid cap funds will be a better option. Uh, Generally, as a financial planner, I would suggest having a combination of large cap and mid cap in your portfolio will be helpful.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.